Okay, fine. So here in SAP also we have a database. Ultimately, generally any software you take, there will be 3-tier architecture, we can say. Mostly 2-tier or 3-tier. Any software you take, there will be a 2-tier or 3-tier. This is my database layer. This is my application layer. This is my reporting or presentation layer. Presentation layer. Okay. Database layer is nothing but it will have some databases. Ultimately, the data will be saved, have to be saved in database. Okay. Say it can be your Oracle database I'm talking, not application. Okay. Oracle or your SQL. Okay. Or it can be your in SAP we have HANA, HANA. Okay, it is an SAP's product. It is an SAP product. Whenever this application layer is nothing but the say if you go to the bank or like if you go to the ATM machine, you see the screens, right? That is an application. Or in your mobiles also, you have a application, different applications you have. Like you have say WhatsApp chat. That is a front-end application what you have it. There you will chat. When you chat, when you save it, send it, the data will be saved somewhere, right? So that is nothing but your database. That is nothing but your database. This is the place where the data is exactly saved. An application is nothing but a front-end application where you perform your day-to-day activities. Perform day-to-day activities. Day-to-day activities. Okay, like even your Gmail. In front end, it is one application. Front end is an application where you write open the Gmail, see the Gmail, write the Gmail, right? So these are all things you do it, right? So that is nothing but a front end application where you perform your activity. Then reporting layer is nothing but to create a reports and generate the reports and perform the analysis on top of that. Okay, fine. So these are the 3 different layers. Any software or any software or application you take, you will have these 3. Any software application you take, you will have these 3. Any questions or any doubts over here? What is database layer? What is application layer? And reporting layer? Okay. In the same way, if you see, let's talk about SAP. As I have explained you, SAP is started in 1990 90s actually. Okay, it's in 90s, 92 or something like that. From then it has started. So initially they have started with the R2 version. SAP R by 2. That means two-tier architecture. Two-tier architecture. That means it has only one layer and another layer. It has only two layers, one layer and this. This is my database layer. Okay, and in this case, my 90%, 99% is Oracle is my database only. SAP purchase. If you want to implement SAP, if you want and implement an SAP, I'll show you that one also. Let's see, MSDSC. Okay. Can you see this icon?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So this is an SAP logon pad, we'll say. Okay, this is an SAP like a folder. It's a SAP folder, we can say. Okay. Here, what all the systems we have, as I told you, explained you earlier, we may have SAP BW system, we'll have SAP ECC ERP system. Again, in that also we have development, quality, production. So this is a place where you can define those systems. Okay. See, I'm trying to log on. I'm trying to log on here. What is my BW logon? At 1 to 3. See, I'm trying to, this is my application. This is my application. Okay. See, this is my SAP application. The backend, what is my database? If you want to see that, okay, from the menu bar, this is known as an, I will explain again. Just I want to show you something here. That's the reason I came here. Okay. If you go to status, okay. If you go to product version, okay, this is database, and where is this? In this one, yeah. Systems, status. Okay, fine. See, this is my database. This is my ECC. There are two systems I have opened. Okay, every system will have a different database. In SAP, we have two things: HANA and Oracle. See, this is my database. What is my database for this system? This is my Oracle. This is my Oracle. Okay, this is my Oracle database. Then, if I go to next system, okay, if I go to next system, here also I have a database. And what is this? Database is my HDB. HANA database. HANA database. So within the SAP itself, we have two databases. One is Oracle DB and the second one is HANA DB. Okay. Okay. So in SAP earlier, as I said, we have two. Initially, they have released two-tier architecture. One is database, which has the database layer. In this case, at that time, they have only one DB only. That is Oracle. Means always whenever you want to implement SAP, you have to purchase a separate hard drive. You need a hard drive for that also, right? So any software, if you want to implement your software in your laptop, every software will have some space, will occupy some space. Okay, suppose your hard drive, laptop hard drive will be there, right? So 500 GB, okay, 1 TB, 2 TB, like that. So in the same way, based on your business requirement, the business team has to purchase some dedicated hardware, that is Oracle hardware. They have to purchase it. Okay, and top of that, you implement software, you install the software SAP. Okay, and this is your application layer. Okay, and part of reporting layer, simple reporting layer, not complicated reporting layers, but it is a simple reports you can generate. Simple reporting layer. Okay, only these two architecture is available. One is database layer, where exactly it means once you perform your transaction, like here, if I go here, this is my ECC system. Say I want to create a sales order, VA01. Okay. Here I have to VA01. Okay. If I want to create a sales order, say this is the place where you create your sales order. So this is the place where you create your sales order, or MM01. This is the creation of the material. This is the T code. Means this is the place where you create a material. Once you create your material, ultimately the data will be saved in your DB. Ultimately, the data will be saved in your DB. Which DB? Oracle DB. Oracle database.